बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक। आज मैं आपसे अपनी अम्मी की रेसिपी शेयर करने वाली हूँ जो कि बीफ पाए यानी कि जो बीफ ट्रॉटर्स बीफ फीट होते हैं उनकी रेसिपी शेयर करूँगी। ये मेरी अम्मी की रेसिपी है बट वॉइस ओवर मैं कर रही हूँ। लेट्स स्टार्ट द रेसिपी। सो फॉर दिस रेसिपी माई मॉम हैज़ टेकन 2 beef payas. They are cut into smaller pieces. She is roasting them on high flame on her stove just to get rid of all the hair, all the impurities, and she will keep roasting them until she achieves the results she wants. To further clean the payas, my mom added flour to them and she's rubbing the trotters with the flour so that the excess hair or anything that is left on them even after roasting that is removed, and all the smell is it helps eliminate the smell from the payas as well. So this is what she's doing right now. So once that step is done, wash them off properly and put them in a pan with enough water along with a few spices. 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 to 3 pieces of cinnamon stick, 10 to 12 pieces of cloves, red chili whole but take the seeds out, and black cardamom whole but take the seeds out, just put the peels in it. Boil boil the payas in this water along with all these spices for at least 2 hours, or in some cases 2 to 3 hours, but I think my mom boiled them for 2 hours, and after 2.5 hours this is how the payas look like. After 2 hours or 2.5 hours, this is how the payas look. They'll be a little bit plump, थोड़े से swollen हो जाएंगे, और आप इसको बहुत ज़्यादा हिलाएंगे नहीं, बस हम इसको separate कर लेंगे. We will separate the payas from the stalk and we will keep the stalk aside, and you will see a lot of oil, the fat coming on top of the stalk. We will use this fat to make the masala of this dish. We won't use any extra oil besides this fat. फिर आप देखें कि हम इसके अंदर यही स्टॉक के ऊपर से जो ऑयल आया था वो हम पैन में डाल रहे हैं. We're adding that same fat in the pan. Then we will add a paste of 2 medium-sized onions in this grease, and इसको हम भूनेंगे थोड़ा सा. So इसको थोड़ा सा भूनने के बाद हम इसके अंदर 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste डालेंगे. अगर आपको लगे कि इसके अंदर ऑयल कम हो गया है तो आप वो जो स्टॉक के ऊपर ऑयल की एक लेयर आई हुई होती है वही ऑयल इसके अंदर थोड़ा सा और डाल सकते हैं. नाउ वील ऐड जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट 2 tablespoons. फिर हम इसको भूनेंगे थोड़ी देर के लिए. विल कुक इट अंटिल द मसाला, the onions and the ginger garlic, they are well roasted and releases oil on the sides. So once the oil separates from this masala, we will add a little bit more water just so the spices don't get burnt. The spices that we will add right now to make the masala. We will add salt to taste. We will add haldi, half teaspoon. We will add red chili powder, 1 teaspoon, and 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. And we will keep adding yakhni or the stock or water just so the masala doesn't get burnt. पानी डालते रहें साथ साथ, मसाला बर्न ना हो जाए. इसको अच्छे तरीके से मसाले को भूनेंगे ताकि इसके अंदर से वो जो जिंजर गार्लिक की और अनियंस की वो जो एक स्मेल सी होती है वो चली जाए, और मसाला भी अच्छी तरीके से भुन जाए. मसाले की भी एक स्मेल होती है वो ना रहे बीच में. सो जब मसाला थोड़ा सा भुन जाए, देन वी विल ऐड द पायाज इन द मसाला along with 2 teaspoons of roasted ground coriander and 2 teaspoons of roasted ground cumin. 2 टीस्पून भुना कुटा धनिया और 2 टीस्पून भुना कुटा ज़ीरा, वो डाल के इसको अच्छे तरीके से भूने. इसको तकरीबन 10 से 15 मिनट आप इसको अच्छे तरीके से भूने. एंड देन ऐड द स्टॉक ऑफ द पायाज in it, and of course the stock will not be enough, so we will have to add more water to it. Add boiling water and let it slow cook covered until the soup reaches the consistency you want. Now we'll cover it with a lid and something heavy on top of it so that the steam doesn't release. And this is how it looks like after a whole day of cooking. I think my mom cooked it for like a whole day in this pan. on the stove, not in a slow cooker or anything. You can cook it in a slow cooker too. And this is the final result. You can keep the consistency of the soup as you like. We kept it thin because that's how we like it. If you want thicker consistency of the soup, cook it for another like 2-3 hours until you get the consistency you want. Garnish it with coriander leaves, thinly sliced ginger, and green chilies. You can add lemon to it if you want and enjoy it with naan, kulcha, or however you like it. If you want more of my Ammi's recipes, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And please hit the bell icon so you can get the notifications every time we upload the video. Next video में मिलते हैं इंशाल्लाह. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.